Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download transaction history from Coinbase. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to download transaction history from Coinbase. And now you can see right here the step-by-step process. Now just click on this first option. So as we can see right here the step-by-step process, so the first thing that you want to do is to sign in to your Coinbase account. After that, tap on Statements. After that, tap on Transactions or Coinbase card. Next, select PDF or CSV for the desired statement. After that, tap on Download. That's it! It's just simple and easy. You can now try it. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.